Today, let's harvest some sweet banana peppers for the first time. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Wednesday to you all. Wednesday the 5th of August 2026, and it's day 171 of the Chilli Grow Up. It is so windy, so windy today. It's about 25 degrees, so it's lovely, but these little plants keep getting knocked over, and we've had a casualty with the black jalapeno. It's just hanging on here, so I just thought leave him there, just hopefully, and then we can tie him up and get him sorted out. It's a bit frustrating, but yeah, today let's pluck some peppers. I've already had some Cowboy Candy, candied jalapenos on my omelette, and it was divine. Cannot recommend it enough. I made a chicken tikka masala with Buena Mulatas, and they were just amazing. Very spicy, very tasty. Look at this wind, it's nuts. So today, let's focus on these sweet bananas. There's lots of them, and I'm sure they are ready to be picked now. So I thought, let's pick them. Let's chop one up and have a little look how they are. Do a little taste test. And then I think we may try some in the candy solution, or may get a little pickling solution going on, or just have them as they are. Sweet bananas there, ready to go. But other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having an awesome Wednesday. Me and Lucy have just come back from a little stroll, but it's a bit windy, so you know, she's all set and ready, just enjoying her treat now, and I thought I'll get out, start this video and pick some peppers. So let's do this. Let's get into day 171. Happy Wednesday, Lucy Lou. Just got you all cleaned up. You ready for some breakfast? You are, I think. Can I get a pour? Pour? Thank you very much. Enjoy your egg, madam. Buena Mulata chicken masala. Ran them under the tap. They look very nice. They're rock solid all the way through. They may have been able to go a little bit longer, but I just thought try these now. These are probably the biggest two, but we do have about 5 or 6 about the same size. It's grown really well, and this was a free pack of seeds that Red Dragon Seeds gave to me when I first got the chili pepper seed pack. So yeah, sweet bananas looking great. Let's chop them through. Now of course, for most chilies you need to wear gloves. These are between 0 and 500 on the Scoville, so I think we'll be okay. But as always, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly afterwards. Beautiful, very thick walls, very thick placenta, where you'd expect there to be a lot of spice, but looking really nice. Glistening, very fresh. Beautiful smell. Smells like it should be really spicy, but they say it isn't. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to do this for every pepper, I can assure you. So firstly, let's do a little taster from at the bottom of the chili, where there shouldn't be too much heat concentrated. Let's give this a try. Beautiful. That tastes like a red pepper, a green pepper, red pepper going into a green pepper, like a red bell pepper. A mild red bell pepper. Very nice. No spice at all. So I'm going to take a good chunk. Let the stem off there. And let's try some with the seeds and some of the pith as well. There's quite a lot which come loose, so there's quite a lot in there. Look. Lots of seeds there. Let's try a little bit of each. Yep, no spice at all. Delicious. Sweet banana. So we've just wrapped that up there. Hopefully it's going to be alright, but it did take quite a snap there, do you see it? Quite concerning because we've got lots of lovely new jalapenos coming. And we don't want them all busted up. Especially these ones here. Have a look at these other new sugar rush peach stripies, look. Now do you see the leaves are a little bit sad in the soil? It's very dry. Even though only a couple of days ago they had a lot of food and water. So I think we need to get them some water and fertilizer tomorrow. And I'm also going to be plucking some black jalapenos and we'll try them in Cowboy Candy. So that wraps up day 171. I want to thank you all for joining us. We really appreciate it. It means the world to Lucy and I. If you're liking this, please don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Join us on our journey from seed to harvest. They're all starting to get harvest now. Hopefully soon these Scotch bonnet MOAs. And lots of cayennes. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining us. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful Wednesday. A great rest of your week. Thanks again for joining us. Stay awesome. And we will see you tomorrow. Have a great Wednesday. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Thursday for day 172. Cheers all. Take care. Bye-bye.